Saluting India, where each bud blooms in its true colors, where each day is celebration of unity, harmony, and synthesis. We are proud to be the citizen of India. A very hearty morning to one and all present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 presenting today's morning assembly on the occasion of Constitution Day. It was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, India's first law minister, who played a pivotal role in drafting the Indian Constitution. He quoted that so long as you do not achieve social liberty, whatever freedom is provided by the law is of no avail to you. My dear friends, we know our fundamental rights, but who gave us these rights? It is the Indian Constitution. Let's promote constitutional values among citizens. Let's pay tribute to India's first law minister, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And let's we all salute our nation on Constitution Day. And it's time to start today's morning assembly. Let's we pray for the unity of the country and pray for men and women who dedicated their lives to public services. So everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, pledge instill the feeling of patriotism among the citizens of India. Let us remember the golden heritage of our country and feel proud to be a part of India. It's time to take oath. I would like to invite Soha from class 8 for pledge. So everybody take position for pledge. After pledge, the Constitution Day or Law Day of India aims to bring awareness to the importance of the Indian Constitution and its architect, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. This day is marked as a tribute to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Let us take inspiration from the quotes of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next, I would like to call Arif from class 8 for today's thought. Good morning, everyone. My name is Arif. Today's thought is: a great man is different from an eminent one in that he is ready to be the servant of the society. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Arif. News is like the window through which we look at the outside world. News can make people feel connected to the public and informed about events that are around us and may affect us. For today's news headlines, I would like to invite Veer from class 8th. Thank you, Veer, for today's news update. A rich vocabulary makes the skills of listening, speaking, reading, and writing easier to perform. One of the easiest ways to bolster our existing reading and writing skills is to add new words to our vocabulary. It's time to add a new word into our vocabulary. Next, I would like to invite Aditi from class 8 for Word of the Day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aditi. Word of the day is empowerment. And the meaning of empowerment is the process of giving a group of people more freedom or rights. Synonym of empowerment: approval, go ahead. Antonyms are disapproval and rejection. I'm using this word in a sentence. Education and empowerment programs were created to help local teens reach their goals. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you so much, Aditi, for enhancing our vocabulary. Our Constitution is the supreme law of India and the world's longest constitution. It was adopted on 26th of November. It's important for all to know about the Indian Constitution and to know more about what is Constitution Day and why is it celebrated on 26th of November. To know more about this, I would like to invite Rohan Preet from class 8. Thank you so much, Rohan Preet. Now we are at the end of today's morning assembly. It's time to honor the nation. Let's get ready for National Anthem and start. After National Anthem, today the Constitution of India was made and we got independence in the true sense. Let us proud that we are Indian because lucky are those who are born in this great country. Here we end today's morning assembly. Thank you for cooperating. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.